Want to change the filter of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new filter. Step 1. Remove the old filter. Remove the telescopic tube. The filter is usually behind the dustbin. Press the lock and remove the dustbin. Now unscrew the filter. Step 2. Insert the new filter. Place the new filter in place of the old one. Snap the dustbin back into place. Reattach the telescopic tube. You have replaced the filter and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.